came out and took the fire footprint. So they took the house, left the back area. Looks like they took some back area. It might have just been grass. But you can see here where they left the driveway, all the stonework done. They don't take the driveways unless the homeowner requests it. I'll take that back. They don't take the driveway at all unless you pay for it. But something as a private contractor, if you don't want your driveway or this situation, this looks pretty nice, so I don't see why they would take it out. But they took the foundation out, completely gone, all the way around.